Congratulations for Forbes SmartClean with AutoBin. Let's dive right in and see what comes in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Forbes SmartClean Robotic Vacuum Cleaner, the AutoBin charging dock with wire, dust bags, side brushes, mopping cloths and mop holder, dust tank, high-performance HEPA filter, cleaning tool, warranty card. Now let's bring this Forbes SmartClean with AutoBin to life. Let's set it up together. Step 1. Place the AutoBin charging dock close to a flat, hard surface. Ensure no obstacles within 5 feet in front and 1.5 feet on both sides. Step 2. Connect the charging dock to a power source. Step 3. Remove the protective strips on the front bumper. Step 4. Align the side brushes with the designated holes and press gently. Step 5. Place dust bag in dust bag compartment of AutoBin. Step 6. Switch on the Forbes SmartClean and let it charge fully for about 5 hours. Your Forbes SmartClean with AutoBin is now installed and ready to connect.